Hey Cashers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing. I got my Geo Box in from Geocaching HQ, and I am excited to see what's in it. Join me. So another great part of this game of geocaching, I like swag. I like geocoins. I like cool little gadgets. I mean, I just like gadgets, period. From it being tech stuff to things that I can use when I'm out geocaching. Now, I love these Geo Boxes that I get each one. This is the third one that they've put out, and I've been excited to see what's in it. Each one's been really cool, and I've gotten each one of them, and I really love it. So, let's get to this unboxing and see what's in this Geo Box. Now, I haven't even looked into it yet, so I really don't know what's in there, so this is going to be a surprise, and I cannot wait to see what's in here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so there's the stuff that says what's in there. I'm not even going to look at that. Alright, first thing I'm seeing, alright, is this telescoping pin. That is cool, because I know how many of us go out there and we forget our pin. Oh, it's even got refills, and that's really cool. You can take the pin out, and look, you even got a new geocache that you can put out somewhere. That is really cool. Double purpose. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, yes. We got a log maintenance kit, geocaching maintenance stuff. It's got some tape in there, looks like some logs. There's some cards. Those O-rings that we always need to replace on those micros that seem to go out so those logs don't get messed up. That is cool. Needed that. That is great. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh, wow. This is a really great item. This is a water bottle. We got to stay hydrated while we're out there on the trail doing different stuff. And look, it's got a paracord handle on it. So if you ever need the paracord, you're great for it. Oh, because this is the season of cash in, trash out, it's got a CITO sticker, and it says, "Tough as trails, united by blue." That is cool. I always love these great water bottles. Very rugged. Looks like it's going to do a really great job. That it's stainless steel, so yeah, it's going to keep my water cold for hours on end. That is really cool. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. We got a CITO trackable. See that? You got a CITO trackable. That's cool. And it's the CITO logo that they got going on right now with the spring on the top and the autumn, because CITO this year is 2 seasons. Let's see what this last piece is. This is a Geocoin. Oh, cool. And it's from Cash Advance. It's one of their Pi coins. March, Pi Day, and this is really cool. And see, it's got the Pi right there, and then there's the Pi pan. That is just super, super cool. Hey guys, like I said, this is just another part of the game. I like getting the swag, getting the coins. I have a ton of coins. Not as many as a lot of people, but I'm really getting into collecting these coins. I love this. Alright, so a little bit different this week, doing an unboxing. Hey, leave me a comment down below. Do you like me doing these unboxings, or do you just want me to stay out in the field and talking to the cashers? I mean, I'm still going to do that too, but would you like one of these videos every once in a while on some of the unboxing? Hey, if this is the first time you've seen one of these videos, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings. And hey, I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.